Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special. My son Trevor's incredible journey renovating his 1939 tiny house. This 540 square foot gem has seen nearly a century of history, and now Trevor's breathing new life into it with grit, creativity, and a whole lot of elbow grease. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's see how Trevor turns this vintage fixer-upper into a dream tiny home. Here's the side here. It's going to get a new roof, eventually an addition on here. New windows, new siding, new foundation, new studded walls, new flooring, new kitchen, new bathroom, new electrical, new plumbing. And here's the side here with the garage. Here's the back of the house. I just took the skid steer and ripped those janky steps they had, or ramp they had built up there. Ripped that off. And we're about to take this shed here and collapse it down so it can be burnt.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notifications to follow along every Friday.
So this here used to be a closet right here that came out this far, and then a wall that continued across with a doorway right here. That all has been removed. We started pulling out the drywall and the paneling that was all on these walls here. We and me.
You mean me?
And little Mimi. Now it's this wall here left to come out. And then the kitchen, the regular kitchen, the cabinets are gonna come out. This is gonna turn into a cabinet set, then a peninsula coming out across here, open to the main room, and then a very small bathroom off to the side here. So here we are coming in the door. This is what, week number second, not even a week yet.
Wednesday. Come on, Wednesday.
What it had was paneling on the wall with first strips and 1-inch foam. You can see here where the first strip was. And then underneath that is this real thin, I don't even know what that is, 1/4 inch, 3/8 drywall. And then open cavity with the, probably tongue and groove 1x4s on the wall here. And then siding on the outside. So all the walls pretty much are stripped down to paneling's gone. Now just a little bit of first strips foam board to take off, and then we're back down to bare studs, and we can see what we got. Chimney here has got to go in the fire. No, it's not even a fireplace. Heater. And then the ceiling, from what we can tell, looks like just the same drywall along with first strips and this tile, which I don't know if that's asbestos or cardboard or what that is, but
Cardboard.
we got to rip that all down. And then in the kitchen here, this will all just be one room here and we're done. The floor all had this, I don't even know. It's not an LVT, it's probably the El Cheapo MDF from Big Lots or whatever, but this is the kitchen here that we're about to start taking apart. We'll set it up on a tripod and time lapse that, get that out of here. And then we got a little bit of a room back here with the back door. Hang on, screwed the back door. And then we got the water heater in there. That's pretty it. It's pretty basic. So this is the bathroom. This is the toilet, shower, little vanity. The hard part I think is going to be, once we get into stripping everything out of here, finding out what's going on with the floor, how level things are, how we're going to level them up, and getting things squared and leveled again, but we'll see how that goes. But right now we're going to finish tearing. We want to take this off, clear all this off. We want to take the kitchen out.
We gotta take the kitchen out. I'll take this wall down today.
All right. So we'll set you up on a tripod, and we'll show the kitchen coming out. And then we'll remove this wall. B, they went and hung these metal cabinets. I don't know where they got them, Sears maybe, on these metal clips that are screwed to studs, and then they screwed through the back of the cabinet into the studs as well. Haven't come across these yet, but they're stuck good. I don't know if they're just painted to the wall from so many coats of paint. I'm assuming that's the case, but we got to reef this whole thing off one whole piece. Then we just got this other wall cabinet back here and on the bases. We just yanked the utility or the corner cabinet out here and found some nice goodies. Nice goodies on the floor. Hey, there's no dead mice, so I can see.
Man, am I glad Dale's here.
No dead mice.
This is such a Dale kind of job.
How bad is it in there?
There's the one about that.
The water should be drained out.
Yeah, pretty much. That supply, that shut off works.
Well, there's no pressure in it, so.
Yeah, I guess we're not. I'm not talking about the animal kind. What the hell was that? He's all yours now. Yeah, you just gotta rip it the rest of the way. Holy. Oh yeah, Dale, this is a gold mine.
Hey, you know what that is? It's a freaking potato gun.
Oh yeah.
Does it have the igniter? Nope.
They made most of it.
Here, Dale, you can have that too. You can shoot off some potatoes.
You guys probably never saw those, have you?
We've made that.
It's missing the handle.
Dale, I ain't gonna lie, I don't think there's much in there for you.
Oh, I see gold.
Come on.
Porta potty?
There you go.
Why are they collecting mailboxes?
I have no idea.
Watch yourself.
Oh,
Oh my god.
There's the lid.
oh,
There you go.
He's not even paying attention to us.
man, someone's gonna have to clean all this up.
Paper.
I know Dale's doing to work tomorrow.
There's another potato gun. Not that. The other thing you put on a grinder.
A mini potato. That's a sweet potato
It has
gun.
the igniter.
They painted it camo too.
Yeah.
You're telling me you wouldn't want to do this?
You know what that is right there? That's a skeet shoot thrower.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
And a gun rack.
Double.
oh yeah. Dartboard.
With darts.
Keeping that on.
All of them. They're all there.
Damn right.
Full collection.
I don't think that old girl works.
Sweet Daisy rifle.
Did it shoot? I hear BBs.
There's no BBs coming out of it. Tabletop billiards. What's there, about 4 propane tanks?
They're brand new.
They're full?
They still have the pretty heavy.
I can't believe you're digging through that.
This is like my fun.
This is like pickers, but
There ain't nothing of value.
you don't know though.
Oh, don't put your hand in there, Dale.
He's going deep in.
Oh man,
I'm surprised Devin hasn't come over here yet.
I would want to watch this.
Brand new mouse trap.
That's a rat trap, dude. That thing is huge. That's a big mouse.
Oh, some Tupperware.
Tupperware.
Oh, look at that bowl. Is that a weed bowl? Oh no.
That's a mini crock
I was
pot.
gonna say that's a big bowl. You fit a lot of ganja in that thing.
You got to start your kitchen, man. It's item number one.
Ooh, whiskey glass. Drink some bourbon.
Okay. Big empty tub.
Digging in.
Crutches.
Oh, whatever.
I'm so glad Dale's got in there. I'd never do that.
That's no good.
Kerosene.
I wonder if they heated with propane tanks at one point. They got a lot of gun racks and gun safes, but I haven't seen any guns yet.
See any guns up in the attic now?
No, I see a lot of empty shelves.
Really? In the attic? Or in there? Oh, yeah. They must have practiced shotgun shooting out here somewhere. I picked up my shotgun yesterday or Saturday.
Cook some shrimp on the Barbie.
There goes a mouse. We got a live one. Use the rat trap, quick.
You're disturbing their home.
I got the best you're gonna find.
I don't think there's too much more gold in there for you, Dale.
I think I saw something running by your right leg.
Oh man,
And it's heavy.
that's where the million is.
Oh, we're. You got any bolt cutters?
No. I didn't have a grinder or nothing.
You can have it. You can put it right on the
Don't break the dishes. Oh, that's got a secured lock there.
Oh.
It's the barrel.
Oh, you can put it together.
It's a musket.
Hey, maybe that's an antique.
Wow.
Maybe that's an antique.
It's definitely an antique. Looks like a homemade pirate gun. I think it's all there. Is that powder? I bet it is.
Cleaner, rifle bore.
Don't drink it.
Is that the powder?
Walnut stain.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, I'd leave that close. I better take that home with you.
Oh, another big box. Oh, it's heavy as hell.
I'm waiting for that snake to pop out of there. We'll have to bring the bucket back here.
Brand new tent.
There you go, a little tech trip.
I don't know if I'd call it brand new anymore.
Hey Dale, when you want to come help out again?
This is awesome.
Well, next time you come help, we can clean all this up.
And there's another one of these too, just like it.
Yeah, that one.
All right, I'm ready to get back in it.
Yeah, I don't think we're finding too many goodies anymore.
Nah.
This is all good.
Oh, I think that works pretty good.
Hey, we're out in front of the house here. We're about to rip out a couple bushes. We'll show you. We'll see how it goes. We're just gonna use a skid steer, see if it'll pull them out. I don't know. It may dig a big hole in the yard. We'll see what happens.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's common. Just gotta get them roots ripped up. It's on the move.
Thanks for watching. See you all next week.